nut, 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 nut.
Ah, beautiful. What is up, keyboard people? How is everybody doing on this beautiful, beautiful Tuesday? I'm doing okay. I made the fatal mistake of like looking at the stock market today, and I'm just like, nope, I'm good, thanks. Demon voice? It's fine. It's my normal voice. Fuck. Let me restart my equalizer. There we go. SMH my head. I hope you guys have all checked Bad Simon memes. Paul put a couple in there that were pretty good. Can I shake your head? Yes. Shake my head. Thank you, Peace. What's up? Goozy.
Love nuts.
Wrong choice coming through. You're goddamn right. Do we start with picks today? Oh shit, yeah, we have picks to look at. No, we're gonna let them pile up until there's more for no reason. We'll do it on Friday. Because Friday we have like some very light keyboarding to do. Today we got business. We got business to fucking something to. Business to... Fuck, I don't know. I forget the word. Words are hard, okay? Unless you got a DK saver with SGI and Blue Alps for 1k. I bet you anything that was my fucking saver. I bet you. Business to attend to. Yes, that's the word. That is the word. Attend. Why are there hairs everywhere? Can hairs stop existing, please? All right, let's move some stuff out of the way. I don't know where. I don't want to zoom out because you guys are gonna see how terrible my desk is right now. Just get all these stabilizers out of the way. Look, another hair. Why is there just hair everywhere? Yo, Simon, what do you think about the Tai Chi? You're like 5 months late. I think it's a keyboard. Beyond that, I have no idea. Maybe it'll be good. How much did I pay for these caps? These were $65 from Enjoy PBT, back when Enjoy PBT was cheap and also good. Insert time machine emote. My writing teacher hasn't started the meeting yet. Nice. Alright, we were gonna do a thing, I forgot. Oh yeah, we're cleaning our desk. Here, go away. There, it's clean.
I fucking
clean, guys.
love nuts.
Clean. This is clean. Everything is clean. Everything is clean. Everything is happy. Everything is clean. Okay? Now let's zoom out so you guys can see like my shame. There, nice and clean. Nobody knows. Not that bad. It gets worse as it goes on. Tosco, thank you for the 3 months. So sexy. Simon, can you show us the cool things that have arrived? No cool things have arrived. What are you even talking about? There's no cool things. Not until like... probably like next Friday probably, because it's a holiday now for like the next few days, so there's no like packages or anything. And then next week I'm gonna be at like a trade expo, whatever. I'm gonna be at like an exhibition, so I likely will not even stream on like Sunday and Tuesday. I don't know yet. I don't know what the hours are. GeoHammy, thank you for the 2 months. Poggies, let's fucking go. What happens to an object if H licks it? That's a good question.
Nerd.
It's a really good question. Alright, listen. Today we're gonna build a keyboard. Okay? Gonna build a keyboard. Using this PCB, which is cursed. This plate slash top, which I assume is also cursed. I'm just gonna assume that everything is cursed. So, we've got the switches already. We'll do the stabs real quick. Let's get this plate off the top, because we're gonna need it. So these boyos have very, very large PPs. If you don't recognize what a PP is. Camera? Hello? It's literally in the center of the frame. This is a PP. Right there. See that? That's a nice fucking PP. But it's a big PP. And the problem is this big PP will barely fit into this PCB. It requires a significant amount of shoving it up in there, like so. So that's gonna be fun. All right, so let's unscrew this. Oh look, a missing screw. Nice. I assume the missing screw is taped here. I vaguely remember H telling me something about a screw. Yep, there is a screw in here. There it is. Let's get this tape out of here. There we go. Let us get a screwdriver. Wait, where are my tools? Ah, they all fell over. Is this the correct size? No, this is too big. Oh my god, another hair. Can you just fuck off, hair? That's too big. That's too small. Alright, am I missing a screwdriver? I'm always consistently looking for the one screwdriver that it's like the perfect size, but none of them are the perfect size. Are you the perfect size? Nope, you are too small. Yeah, none of these are the perfect size. It's always, there's just one that's just consistently fucking missing. Where are you? Where have you gone? What are you doing, step bro? There it is. Found it. This is the one. It's always the one I'm looking for. Oh. Is this a cursed keyboard? Yes, this is incredibly cursed. As a matter of fact, this is probably the most cursed keyboard that I have ever touched. We will have to perform blessings on it at every stage, just to make sure that the demons no longer reside within the keyboard by the time we finish building it. Actually, for my own safety, I'm going to move my nice keyboard away from this keyboard, because if it touches it, transitive property. There we go. Fuck off, band-aids. Another hair! God, can I stop being so hairy? E. Ah, there we go. What's up? Alright, just FYI, the PCB is already problematic. I've tested almost all the switches or the pads, they're correct, but the cable